1122 to connect. 8300.
Is the fire department having a car wash?
Why, are you a firefighter?
No.
Oh, get the fuck out of here, pervert!
Thought the little diva brat left already.
Oh, she did. But she's back for more.
I would never let my daughter out looking like that.
Yeah, my parents would have locked me in my room.
Oh my God, we're in frickin' New Hampshire. Put a wool jacket on that thing.
You're kidding, right? Everyone shaves. Hardwood floors are in.
What? Come on, get out of here. Hardwood floors? I mean, I'm not saying don't trim the shrubbery, but you gotta leave a landing strip at least.
This isn't the 80s. Everyone has hardwood floors. What did your boyfriend say?
Oh, no. My life is way too hectic for that whole dating scene. Really? Everyone does hardwood floors?
Everyone. I'll tell you what, when I go in for my Brazilian, you can come along. Roger does an excellent job.
You know what? What the hell? After all, it's the most action this poor girl's gonna get in a while.
Oh, there goes Dudley in action.
Oh my God, she's way too young for him.
But that's how he likes them.
To be young again. You know what's funny? As you get older, you start to like the things you hated as a child. You know, like taking naps or getting spanked. Yeah, the second one kind of shocked me too.